Hi everybody and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily install the LG XBOOM 360 application for your Android phone. First you have to enter Play Store and then you have to here tap search. In the search bar you have to search for LG XBOOM. Here, as you can see, we have the application here. We have to tap that and here tap install button. Now it may take a while, don't worry, it depends on your internet connection on your phone. Now, as you can see, our app is installed. We have to tap open here. And now I prefer to have your speaker connected with your phone before the process of installing your application. Now we have tap again start, tap permission setting and tap allow button here. Here we have tap battery setting, allow, permission setting, allow. Now we have tap setting. And here, as you can see, we don't really have to allow this application for that, but I will allow here. And now we can go back. And here, this is our speaker. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.